This cop wants to cook and eat people, lived a life that was so dark. It sparked a national debate about whether fantasies can be crimes. But this all got started with this guy, Gilberto. Gilberto was 28 and living in Queens, New York. He seemed to have it all. He was a police officer, a new husband, and a father. But despite his successful life, he was hiding some very disturbing urges. He had intense fantasies about harming others, and because they were so dark, he kept them hidden for years. Until 2012, when he found an online community for people with similar extreme interests. There, Gilberto finally felt like he belonged. He started connecting with strangers and creating incredibly detailed scenarios about abducting people and eating them. Specifically, he began describing horrible things he wanted to do to his own wife, Kathleen. Kathleen had no idea, but online, Gilberto was becoming a star. He started writing blueprints for other people in his life, co-workers, neighbors, and friends. He would describe exactly how he would capture them and prepare them for a disturbing dinner. Things escalated when he met a user named Michael. Gilberto allegedly sent Michael a photo of his wife's friend and offered to capture her for $5,000. While he never actually did it, he continued sending these blueprints to his online friends. He even created a document on his computer titled Kimberly, a blueprint. It listed her physical details and a toolkit he would need, including restraints and specialized bags to hide evidence. But here is where he crossed a massive line. As a police officer, Gilberto had access to a restricted national database. He allegedly used his badge to look up over 80 different women, gathering their home addresses and personal info to make his fantasies more realistic. Eventually, his wife Kathleen became suspicious because he was always erasing his history. She installed software to see what he was up to and discovered everything: the chats, the blueprints, and the plans involving her and her friends. Terrified, she went to the authorities. Gilberto was arrested and became known in the media as the Cannibal Cop. In 2013, he went to trial. His defense argued that this was all just fantasy role play and that he never actually intended to hurt anyone. They called it a thought crime. Initially, he was found guilty, but in 2014, an appeals court overturned the conviction. They ruled that dreaming about a crime isn't the same as committing one. After 21 months behind bars, he was released as a free man. Today, he uses those dark thoughts for a legal career. He's a published author of extreme horror novels. So good for him, I guess. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.